Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize template import in ClickUp. This feature gives you complete control over which elements of a template you want to bring into your workspace, helping you create a more tailored project setup without unnecessary clutter. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to import and customize your template. After logging in, look at your panel and click on Spaces. This will show you all the available spaces in your workspace. Select the specific space where you'd like to add your customized template. Once you've selected it, click the plus icon beside the space name and then click Template from the drop-down menu. This action opens up ClickUp's template library where you can browse through various pre-built templates. Now you'll see a wide selection of templates designed for different purposes. Browse through them and find one that suits your needs. For this tutorial, we're going to use the task management template as our example. Once you've found it, click on the template to preview its contents and structure. After reviewing the template, click Use Template. This will prompt you to set up the import settings. First, you'll need to input a folder name for your template. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies what this folder will contain. Here's where the customization really begins. In the Import Options section, click Customize Import Items. This is the key feature that allows you to fine-tune exactly what elements from the template you want to include in your workspace. In this customization screen, you have several powerful options. You can disable automations and views if you don't want them included in the template. This is particularly useful if you prefer to set up your own automation rules or if the template's views don't match your workflow preferences. You'll also see a list of tasks that come with the template. You can check the tasks you want to add to your workspace and uncheck any tasks you want to remove from the template. This selective approach ensures you're only importing what's truly relevant to your project. Next, navigate to the Start and Due Dates section. Here you can remap the dates by selecting a start date and end date for your imported template. This feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to align the template's timeline with your actual project schedule. If your team doesn't work on weekends, you can also enable skip weekends to automatically adjust the timeline accordingly. Finally, scroll down to the question, do you want to include archived tasks? You'll see three options to choose from: No, yes, include archived tasks, or yes, include an unarchived tasks. Select the option that best fits your needs based on whether you want to see historical or completed tasks from the template. Once you've finished customizing all these settings to your liking, click Use Template. ClickUp will now import your customized template with only the elements you selected, creating a cleaner, more focused workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully customized and imported a template in ClickUp with exactly the features you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.